Is your dishwasher smelling bad or not cleaning like it used to? Let's check out how to clean your dishwasher easily. Start by removing the dish racks and cutlery basket, then rinse them off to remove accumulated food debris. Don't forget to check the corners. Next, clean the water filter to prevent clogging. Also, clean the spray arms to ensure water flows evenly, avoiding residue buildup. Finally, use a dishwasher cleaner tablet. Just place it in the basket and run a cleaning cycle without any dishes inside. With these simple steps, your dishwasher will stay clean and work efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.